Hello and welcome. Today we're going to talk about the new and improved Parinama rank predictors for engineering exams. This is for the Kerala entrance engineering exams. We have released the new version of rank predictor over the weekend. The following are the highlights of the new predictor. We have covered over 22 class 12 streams. This includes CBSE, HSE, ICSE, etc. We have used the statistical information published by Kerala CEE in 2014, that is last year. In order to use the system, you can enter the individual marks for physics, chemistry, maths, and KEAM marks for engineering out of 960. The system will calculate possible normalized mark as well as possible ranks only if you have 45% in PCM and 45% in mathematics alone. According to Kerala entrance prospectus, that is the minimum cutoff mark in 2015. This system calculates data based on 2014, that's last year. This is not the actual calculation system, and there is no guarantee that you will or will not get the rank as shown in our system. Now let's talk about some of the frequently asked questions. What are the supported class 12 streams? We support over 22 streams as published by Kerala CEE. We have received the data from Kerala CEE 2014 results. Another question we usually get is that why I keep getting NA for my marks. The system will not calculate normalized marks and ranks if you enter a subject mark that is greater than the subject maximum mark, or if you do not have minimum of 45% in PCM and 45% in mathematics. The next question is why normalized marks different for different streams. The marks are calculated based on the statistical information published by Kerala CEE. Every stream has a different statistical information. So you may see different marks for different streams, and it's again based on the statistical information. I see my normalized marks greater than 100. Is this normal? We have seen that normalized marks can get a little over than 100, but your total marks will always be calculated out of 600. 300 marks for PCM, physics, chemistry, maths, and if you have not taken chemistry, marks for computer science will be included. This tool does not calculate marks for computer science at this moment, but we will release the feature in a short time. Is this data accurate? This system is based on the statistical information, as I mentioned, from 2014. This information from the site is only for your reference and a good indicator of your possible rank range in engineering entrance exam. Your actual rank and normalized mark will definitely change, and it will be officially published by Kerala CEE. And let's jump into the tool and see how we can use the system. Parinama Insights, you can Google that. Click on Rank Predictor, Engineering. You can see that the normalization year is 2014. The exam is KEAM, Engineering Exam Calculator and Predictor. Select the stream. Now, let's as I mentioned, there are over 22 streams supported in this tool. Let's choose CBSE for our test case. Enter your mathematics mark. Let's enter 95. Let's enter your physics mark 90, chemistry 90, And what is your KEAM mark out of 960? So let's choose 800 for testing purposes. And click on search. You can see the results based on engineering 2014 data. CBSE is the board you have selected. We have calculated the 45% for CBSE. For PCM it becomes 135, and for maths it becomes 45, which means that you have to have at least 45 marks in maths and a total of 135 when you add PCM. Here you can see your marks. You have entered 95 out of 100, 90 out of 100 for physics, 90 out of 100 for chemistry. And you have entered 800 out of 960 for your KEAM marks. In this column, you can see your normalized marks based on the statistical information for CBSE, which is 89.7247, 92.5706, 87.9493. KEAM marks are calculated out of 300, which is 250. Total possible marks is around 520. Possible rank, according to the system, is approximately 322. Let's do a quick search for a different stream. Let's take the most popular stream, which is Kerala HSE. Enter the marks. 90, 65, 58. Let's enter 789 as your KEAM marks. And you can see the information here based on your marks entered. And let's test a case where you enter a wrong information and see. Let's see what the rank would be. Let's enter let's say 120, 130, 100, and let's enter 678. We know that the maximum marks for ICSE is 120, and you can see that the system does not allow you to calculate. It will just leave everything as NA. So if you really want to use this tool, please use the data within the range and you will be able to see the possible marks and ranks. This system currently does not support negative marks for KEAM entrance exam, even though Kerala CE allows negative marks for calculation. I hope this was a useful presentation. Leave your comments. We'll talk again soon.